Everybody, my name is Shyla. Thanks for tuning into my video. Today I'm going to show you how I got my Upart wig. It's super flat, super easy to apply. I don't like when people talk too much on their intros. We're just going to get right into it.
Alright, so my hair is already washed and braided down. I'm going to start off by clipping the wig all around my head. And as you can see, I left hair out for my leave out. That is what I'm going to use to blend in with the wig. Next, I'm just going to blow dry my leave out. I already blow dried the wig, so now I'm just going to make sure that my leave out is nice and blow dried. Alright, after everything is nice and blow dried, I'm just going to make sure that my hair is nice and flat. And I'm going to start off by straightening my hair. I'm going to start off at the bottom and straighten the wig and work my way up to the top. Alright, now that everything is straight, I'm just going to brush out my hair and make sure that my leave out is covering up the track at the top of my U-part wig. Then I'm going to take the Wet Line Extreme Gel and brush down my baby hairs. Alright, and there you have it. Super flat, super natural, super easy to install. I really love just throwing on this wig anytime I need something quick and easy.
Everyone always thinks this is my hair. They're like, wow, it's so flat, it looks so good. But no, you got catfish, sorry. My grandma actually makes my Upart wigs, and we will have some dropping very soon. So make sure you follow me on social media. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my brand new YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate it. And definitely comment down below on any other tutorials that you would like to see. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Mwah.